We are creating a USA-based channel. First, look at this YouTube channel. It has 1.44 million subscribers and millions of views. You can also create videos exactly like this, crime story videos, which are very popular on many channels nowadays. You can also make such videos, and they can be 100% monetized. I will prove it. I open Social Blade and paste the channel here, and you can see its income. Its income is 1.8K, 28K, which is very high. In the USA, the CPM is also very high, from $8 to $16 per 1K views. You can also create complete AI videos with music, voice, effects, and everything using the same software. I will give the link in my YouTube description. You just need to click it and download. If you are new, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open Edimacore. I will give you its link. It is a very good website where you can use AI video, AI voice, and everything else. I will explain how to use all of it. After that, there is a download option at the top. Use it to download the software. Once the download is complete, you need to install it. After a short while, it will be installed. Then log in using your Gmail account. After that, it will appear like this. Now you can see that there are many options here and what can be done here. You can make any story you want. Here, click on New Project. When I click here and want a crime story, what do? I will open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, I will also open the YouTube channel whose style of videos I want to make. If I want to create videos like this YouTube channel, I open it. After opening it, I copy its link. After copying the link, I open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, I will paste the link here. I will paste the link and write along with it. Can you look at this channel and create crime stories like this channel so they feel the same? You can see ChatGPT's message. I checked the Visual Venture channel profile and statistics. It's a popular YouTube creator. This way, ChatGPT has seen it and is saying that it can create the story exactly like the channel. Once ChatGPT has seen it, what to do next? ChatGPT has suggested many stories. You can choose any story to create. But I will write this. Now make the best story for me. I want ChatGPT to create a good story that will help my channel grow. ChatGPT will make the story for me. The story can be long or short. You just give 400, 500 words or however long you want, and ChatGPT will create a story of that length. Once the story is ready, the next step on ChatGPT I will write. Now give me 10 image prompts in detail. ChatGPT will create 10 image prompts accordingly. You can choose to make 20 or 25 prompts if you want a longer video. You can make as many prompts as needed, depending on how long you want the video to be. Now you can see the AI image prompts are complete. The next step is to open Edimacore again. After opening it, click on New Project. As you can see, there are many options here. There are many options like all effects, image to video, video to video, text to video, face swap, and more. But we will discuss the important things that matter for video creation. The first option I will use is text to video. Here you just need to copy the prompt and paste it. After copying the prompt, we paste it in this option. You can set the prompt duration to 6 seconds or 10 seconds. For example, if we want the video to be 6 seconds, I select that. And shortly after, the video will start generating. Next, I copy another prompt. Now I paste it here, and another video will start generating. You can see the first video that was created. This is how you copy and paste prompts, and your video will start generating. You can see the video, it's turning out amazing and excellent, which is the best for us. Sometimes it may fail, but don't worry. You can just paste the prompt again, and the video will start generating. Now, my video is ready. Next, I will explain another option. Image generation. Here you can generate images as you like. Click on the AI image option. Here you need to paste your prompt and then select any style according to your preference, like 3D or whatever you want. I select it. and in this way, the image is generated. This is how you paste a prompt here, and the image will be created. You can paste prompts according to your preference. You can also use tools like Google Nano or other pro tools if you find them suitable. Next, there is another option called image to video. Click on A here, upload an image. After uploading the image, just paste the prompt. Then select the settings below according to your preference. For example, an 8-second clip, 5 seconds, 720p HD or 1080p HD. You can create it according to your choice. Now, when I click Next, you can see that after a short while, the AI video will start generating. You can see the AI video is being created. Once the video is ready, you can see it is complete. Next, there are many options here that you can use. Below, there is another option called Video AI Enhancer. You can also use this to convert your video into HD. There are many other options here as well. Next, there is another option called AI Avatar. Using this, you can create any avatar you like. You can also upload your own image if you want, or choose from the available options. Next, there are elements like text. I click here and write crime story, and you can see how good it looks. For subtitles, click here. You can use your subtitles. The next option is audio, which is very important. Click on text-to-speech to generate AI voice. There are many voices available, and you can use any of them. The one I like and use is called Henry. It's a very good voice. I will play it for you so you can hear it, and warmth to your words. You can see how good the voice is. Next, there are options under elements, like the subscribe button or the like button. These are available here. Next, there are transitions. Using them makes your video look even better and smoother. We work remotely. Next are filters and effects. You can use all of these. This website has everything: AI image, AI video, AI voice, voice clone, all available. By using these, you can create a complete AI video. Everything you need is here, so you can make a full AI video. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next time, I will bring another video like this. Thanks for watching.